Of the early diagnosis, early screening, and what are the new diagnostic aids which are there, and how to go about it, ma'am? Please, if you can throw some light on this aspect.
Yeah. So one very important aspect that we miss, we do so many screenings, so many dental camps we conduct. We just see the tooth part. So we become just a tooth saver. Instead, we should become a life saver. You have not seen anybody, any cardiologist saying that I'm a heart saver, neurologist saying I'm a brain saver.
Yes.
What we do, we ourselves only we tell us everybody that we are tooth savers. Instead, we are life savers. His concern is that whenever we people are conducting any camps, dental camps, or screening the patients, you should also do some exfoliative cytology, which is a non-invasive process, and the patient will readily accept it because there's nothing required. It is painless procedure. You just have to take a scraping of the patient's mouth, and then you have a proper record. By doing the exfoliative cytology, you're able to grade into which category the patient's smear falls, whether it is has no dysplasia or it is showing mild, moderate, or severe dysplasia. Okay, in those squams, you are able to depict that after. Obviously, after staining it, and it is a tedious process. It is just a simple process. So, whenever you are conducting the camp, you should incorporate exfoliative cytology or any other methods, which can be. But I think exfoliative is the easiest method. You can take the scrape and you just have to stain it, and you can record it. And it is very easy to show and document to the patient. And when the patient also sees in the report, in the exfoliative cytology report, that there is some kind of dysplasia, then the patient it strikes into their mind, then I should be alert, something malignant or something cancerous is happening to me. So I should be alert. This is not to be ignored anymore. So this is a well documented thing that the dentist should adopt and should project themselves as not just tooth savers, but as a lifesaver.
Perfectly said, and it is a very important message that we all, as dental surgeons,
because they do not know the grave reality of the tobacco consumption. So we as a dentist have a very important role to play here, to guide them, to aware them, because we are the forerunners of this, that we can educate them. People go to physicians once in a while, but to dentists they come, and we have more access to the oral cavity. We can immediately direct them, advise them with the help of various documentations, like by taking x-rays, we can show that the bone has gradually reduced or resorbed, and you can show the ulcers and also the stains, etc., that is there, and we can guide them how it is mutilating their growth, not only in look wise or vanity wise, also their overall social impact is also degrading. जितने भी लोग हमारे नॉर्मल पब्लिक देख रही है या सुन रही है, उनके लिए एक ये संदेश होना चाहिए कि आप 3 एस पे ध्यान दीजिए. बहुत एज आर्स हो गए. नाउ 3 एस, योर स्माइल, योर सुंदरता एंड योर स्वास्थ्य. तो सबसे पहले स्माइल सुधारिए आप अपनी, क्योंकि स्टेन्स दिख रहे हैं, हैलिटोसिस हो रही है, बैड ब्रेथ आ रही है, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू कम क्लोजर, यू विल नॉट बी सोशली एक्सेप्टेबल. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट, जो कि सबसे पहले दिखता है, दूर से दिखता है. अगर इस पे हम एडुकेट करना स्टार्ट करते हैं, तो बहुत सारे यूथ दे विल बी come into your de-addiction part. Right. And second is your sundarta. Special ladies ही सिर्फ सुंदर दिखना चाहती हैं, gents also. There is no gender bias here. Everybody wants to look good because of the carbon monoxide and hypoxia, collagen breakdown. Your skin starts to sagging. जल्दी जल्दी आप बूढ़े दिखने लग जाते हैं. तो that is another aspect where we can highlight कि अगर आप जितना भी smoking या tobacco usage करोगे, तो you will start looking older. Yes. Early age में आप बूढ़े दिखने लग जाओगे, मुंह में दांत नहीं, सर पे बाल नहीं, और skin sagging or झुर्रियां आ गई. So another part is that which we can highlight. And third is another very important, that is your स्वास्थ्य. स्वास्थ्य जरूरी है क्योंकि as we say that mouth is the mirror of your body. तो जितनी भी कुछ चीजें जा रही हैं, जो भी आप खा रहे हो, पी रहे हो, that is going to affect your overall health. तो आप अच्छा खा रहे हो, that is also giving points to your health. And if you're not eating properly or if you're abusing something, then also it is contributing to your overall health. तो ये आप अपने स्वास्थ्य का भी नुकसान कर रहे हैं. तो 3S को ध्यान में रखें, स्माइल भी सुधारें, अपनी सुंदरता भी बनाए रखें, और साथ में स्वास्थ्य अपने आप अच्छा हो जाएगा.
Perfectly quoted, ma'am. Absolutely right.